Mayday, Mayday. Airbus A321 is one engine is as a J hit the bird strike. Got a bird strike already. The A321. I'm going to San Francisco. A320. A321 is having an engine on fire. As a J. A321. Engine on fire. And A320? How's that thing? Airbus A321. Yes, having an engine on fire. This is a winglets. One of my winglets. American Airlines. That's a J no? Or is that T? Yes, a J. CEO. It was a J1 CEO. Classic. A classic. Classics. Classic version. With winglets. And I get San Francisco Airport, California. Emergency landing. Organized AVJ1 to V1. Having an emergency landing. Airlines. Chicago. San Francisco Airport. That was AJ1 is had an engine on fire. Engine on fire. Engine failure for Airbus A321. CEO aircraft. As a J1 is. And for emergency landing at San Francisco. San Francisco. San Francisco. San Francisco. Emergency. 331. A321. Engine on fire. And that's minor delays. As the A321 is as the landing. Engine fail. American Airlines. As the landing, the Airbus A321 Neo. As the Jan coming in for landing. A321 CEO. Now we landed the A321 CEO. One engine works. See one engine. A321. That's it.